que nosotros la llamamos la pucuna, que viene de la palabra soplar, ¿ya? Esto está elaborado de pambil, ¿ya? Y también está envuelto con unas lianas que cosechamos de la naturaleza. Y luego, arriba de que está forrado esa liana, está la cera, que nosotros la llamamos brea, que produce aquí mismo, una abeja produce la brea. Entonces todo lo cubrimos bien para que no salga por ningún lado el aire. Y tiene un orificio donde que entra la flecha. Entonces, esta arma aproximadamente avanza unos 70 metros de altura para matar animales pequeños, por ejemplo, monos, aves y animales pequeños.
Anyway, this is a hunting weapon. This is a blowgun. Yeah. Normally, the hunting it is a shared activity. Men and women go together. But the killing, the actual killing, it's a man thing. Yeah. The women can help in tracking. The women can help in carrying whatever they hunt back, or cleaning, or gutting the animals. But normally, the killing is a man thing. So it's two pieces of wood together, tied with a vine, and covered with a beeswax. Yeah. At the end, we have a blow piece that it's normally a femur. Can be different animals. It can be deer. It can be peccary pig. In the past, back in the days, the fearsome, known, popular, or famous hunters would have a jaguar femur here. Yeah. This is only a demonstration blowgun, so it's shorter. Like a real blowgun for a hunter will be at least another meter, another 3-4 foot longer. Yeah. The longer it gets, the farther the dart can reach. You need something that will reach the canopy. For instance, the howler monkeys we saw today, they were up on the treetop, right? Yeah. Howler monkeys are treetop monkeys. So you need to get all the way up there. Now the kill, you need to have a dart, and that's a dart holder. Yeah.
It's de veras or is it a maggot?
Okay, this is how a poison dart would look like. This is only for demonstration, so we don't have the poison there. It would be very dangerous to be showing you and passing it around. But it would look like this, yeah? It's a dark, thick paste that is predominantly plant-based in the area, yeah? It's mainly the sap of a really big woody vine. It's found in old-growth forest known as curare. You may have heard of curare. Curare was, up until rather recently, still used in surgeries. Anesthesiologists would use curare for some surgeries. So the tip is poison, yeah? So when you hit a monkey, the first thing the monkey will try to do is this, right? So normally they have a piranha jaw together with that dart holder, and it will make a little dent, a little nudge. Yeah, up here. There's a little piece left of one of the piranha jaws, so they can sharp, or they can make this little hole. Yeah. So almost to the point of breaking. So when the dart goes in, the monkey tries to get it out, it snaps and leaves the poison tip inside. Yep. Depending how strong the recipe of the venom is, the monkey will be alive for a minute to 5 minutes. So after you hit it, you will have to track it until it drops down. Yeah. Normally monkeys, birds, this is what you would use for this. Bigger animals like tapir, you would need a machine, fully automatic blowgun, which there isn't. But they use spears and traps and other methods. Yeah. A ver.